everyone, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel by liking, subscribing, commenting, by sharing. So wherever you subscribe to my channel, please press on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. Okay, so if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much for subscribing, for helping, for the support, for the growth of this channel. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So let's start, right? So the pick card for today is next 7 to 10 days, what you need to expect. So that is going to be the reading. So I'll be doing the love, the career, the energy, overall energy for the next 7 to 10 days, then what you need to surrender next 7 to 10 days, then the advice, the guidance. Okay, so everything, and I will pull out the affirmation cards also for you guys. So yeah, so that is going to be the reading for today. So yeah, so I have 3 groups over here. For group number 1, I have this lapis lazuli. Group number 1, lapis lazuli. For group number 2, I have the coins. And for group number 3, I have the amethyst pendulum. Okay. So yeah, so close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, let go of all the worries, and then select the crystal, coins or pendulum. So connect with yourself and select a pile. Okay, select a group. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys, and the timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. So if you have chosen this lapis lazuli, then let's see what is coming for you guys for next 7 to 10 days. So first I'm gonna start with this surrender card. So let's see what you need to surrender for next 7 to 10 days, so you can have a good week, right? So next 7 to 10 days, what you need to surrender, for what group number 1 needs to surrender. Okay, so let's see. Surrender to your soul's path. Okay, for some of you it's time to connect with your soul purpose. Maybe you are thinking about it. So with this lapis lazuli, it makes sense. You need to connect with yourself, with your intuition, ask guidance from spirit, surrender to spirit. And if you have a dream, if you have a dream, just go with it. It's time to follow your dreams. I'm getting, take one step towards your dreams for next 7 to 10 days. It's time to do that. Okay, to connect with your soul purpose, to connect the things that you like, to do the things that you love, instead of doing the same things that you don't like, right? For some of you, it's like, I'm not saying you need to quit your job or something, like it's like take one step towards happiness. Take one step towards your goal, take one step towards the things that makes you happy. Okay, for some of you, it's like you have been procrastinating or keeping this yeah, I'll do it tomorrow, something in your life. It's time to do it, take action, I'm getting here. Okay, so let's see what will be your overall energy for next 7 to 10 days for group number 1. Oh, look, oh my god, we have 7 chakra archangel Uriel, and again, your intuition is going to be very strong. Your crown chakra is activated. We have lapis lazuli, so yes, definitely it's time to this next 7 to 10 days, I feel like it's time to get within. Okay, it's time to meditate. It's time to see, if you have some questions, ask yourself, because you will get that answers, because your crown chakra is activated. I feel like that things are going to change. Your intuition is going to be very strong next 7 to 10 days. So it's time to surrender to the divine. It's time to surrender to the negative thinking. It's time to get out of your head and connect with yourself. Ask yourself what is your soul purpose, ask yourself what makes you happy, and do that, because all your answers are within. The keys the keys are within. You need to unlock. That's it. Your wisdom, it's inside you. Everything is inside you. You are looking outside. No, don't look outside. It's time to look outside. It's time to get within. Next 7 to 10 days, meditate, ground your energy, have a walk in nature, and ask yourself what you want, because all the answers are within yourself. Don't seek outside, seek inside. So it's time to go inside for the next 7 to 10 days, definitely for you guys. And definitely whenever you feel a intuitive nudge, take action on it, because that is your spirit guides, angels talking to you. Okay, so yeah, don't procrastinate, and what you have been waiting to do for so long, just go and do it. That is what I feel like. Follow your dreams. So let's see what else for the message for my group number 1. What is the message from this vice versa tarot? Let's see what is it for the next 7 to 10 days. What they need to know, for the next 7 to 10 days. Yeah, again Hermit. It's yeah, definitely guys, it's time to walk. Yeah, it's time to connect with yourself. It's time to connect with your wisdom of your own body. It's time to look inwards, not outwards. So that is what is important right now. For some of you, you need to study something. If you want to study something, go ahead and do that. Take some time off, take some don't I'm not saying you don't have to meet people, no, I'm not saying that, but at least 1 hour a day you need to connect with yourself, sit with yourself, enjoy that aloneness. You're not lonely, you're alone. That means you are connected with spirit. Talk to spirit, connect with them, because I feel you can manifest at that time. When you connect with yourself, you can manifest all your desires, you can talk to the spirit. So it's time. For some of you, you're getting a lot of ideas. I feel whenever you sit alone, you connect, you meditate, you get a lot of ideas on what you need to do next, how you need to go ahead in your life, whether you should go left, right. So everything you will get it. If you have been going through a dark period right now, yes, you are coming out of the tunnel, and you will see the light. The universe is with you. I have to say, next 7 to 10 days, the universe is with you. They are guiding you, they are giving you messages, they are showing you the signs, they're showing you the path. All you need to is to listen. Stay still and listen. Okay, and enjoy this journey, because this is beautiful, right? What else? Any extra messages? Oh my god. Let me take all the cards. I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, just like so sorry. Okay, every time this happens, it all lands on the floor. Let's see what else they need to know for next 7 to 10 days. Okay, yeah, okay, with this lovers card, definitely, it's time. Your angels, of course, Archangel Raphael is with you. If you connect with him more. He's healing your heart, I feel like that. So if you have been going through a dark period, your heart is healing, you're moving forward in life. And definitely for some of you, I feel with this lovers card, you will make a decision. Yeah, with this lovers card, that is what I feel. When you sit alone in solitude, you will make a decision that will connect you to your soul path. Okay, definitely you will like what I need to do, and you will get your answers, and you will make that decision from your heart. Okay, that is what I feel. For next 7 to 10 days, you will be making a decision. It can be about love also, it can be about your career also, it can be about what you need to do next. Whatever, it's about your soul path. You will be making that decision in the next 7 to 10 days. I feel like you will get your answers next 7 to 10 days. If you have, for some of you, definitely if you need to connect with yourself more, sit with yourself more, listen to yourself more. Okay, that is what you need to do next 7 to 10 days. Okay, so let's see what this romance angels, anything else for next 7 to 10 days. Love life next 7 to 10 days. Okay, yeah, okay, let your friends help you and love yourself first. Of course, with this hermit card, I can see that it's time to love yourself first. It's time to look into, it's time to do something for yourself. It's, when this we are going I feel you're going you're going to have you're having a spiritual awakening or something like that. It's like you're understanding your worth. I feel like for many of you, you're spending some quality time with yourself next 7 to 10 days. And and we got the card love yourself first. So yes, you're going to love yourself more. You're going to take decision that will help you, that will be better for you. With this lovers card, I feel like that you will be taking a decision that will make your heart feel good, not doing something that you don't want to do. You will be doing something that you want to do, you want to enjoy. You will be making major, I feel for some of you, you might be making a decision that will make you so happy. Okay, that is what I feel like. Next 7 to 10 days, definitely you're going to make a decision on what you need to do next. Or maybe for some of you, if you have been in a relationship that was not good for you, maybe you will be planning to get out of that relationship, and you will be focusing on self love, right? And maybe definitely okay, but you have your friends to help you. Okay, so for some of you, maybe you are over you know you are you will go with your friends. Yeah, when I feel like this next 7 to 10 days you will be enjoying your life with yourself. But sometimes we feel like we are lonely or something. That time, go with your friends, have some time out with them, enjoy with them, because you have certain friends that they love you and they support you. Okay, so enjoy with them. Or if you have been not talking to them lately, maybe you need to just make a call and talk to them. Okay, if you have been already like this, only like spending some quality time with yourself, connecting with yourself, then yeah, it's time to take a little bit of a break, go out, have some communication with your friends. That is also important. But definitely this week you will be focusing on yourself, your love, your spiritual path. I feel like that, making focusing on meditation, yoga, and focusing on your intuition. That is what I feel for you guys next 7 to 10 days. But definitely your friends will help you. Maybe you need to go out, take a break. That is also important. Okay, there are friends who will help you. So even if you are in a relationship, or it's time, I feel like you will take some time out for yourself. Okay, that can also happen. You have been working, you have been not getting time for yourself. So next 7 to 10 days you will be like taking some time out for yourself. Like if you have kids, you will be like giving the responsibility to other people, and going out and having some time for yourself with your friends. That is also quite possible. So yeah, you need to take care of yourself. That is also very important for some of you. If you haven't been taking care of yourself, it's time to take care of yourself. Do something for yourself that makes you happy, and make that decision. Schedule. I'm getting schedule things. Okay, for sometimes you need to ask help from others. If you have been doing everything by yourself, it's time to ask for help from others also. So let's see what else is your guidance for the coming next. Oh yeah, oh my god, you got the Fates card. Okay, so yeah, you're fated to have this spiritual journey. You're fated to yeah, that is what I feel. This is your destiny. So for next 7 to 10 days, something is going to happen. It's about your life purpose. I feel like you will understand what is your life purpose. Or if you have already understood what is your soul path, what is your life purpose, remember you came here to do that. Okay, so this is a confirmation for you guys. So if you have been thinking whether this is my life purpose, whether I'm meant to walk this path, whether I came here for this, to do this thing, yes, you came here. This is your fate, this is your destiny. So yeah, for next 7 to 10 days you will be getting your answers about your destiny, what you're meant to do, what is the soul purpose. Yeah, maybe for some of you it's like you will be loving yourself, and then you will be giving that teaching to others, like how to love them. Because I feel people don't love themselves, right? We love other people, we respect other people, at the same time we don't love ourselves, right? So I feel you will be doing that, and then you will be giving that knowledge to other people, and how to take time for yourself, how to connect with spirit. So you're fated to do that. So what are we doing the next 7 to 10 days? You're fated. I feel like that it's fated, it's your destiny. Okay, so let's see what else for you guys is advice for my pile for next 7 to 10 days. Yeah, okay, be confident in your path. Okay, so I feel for many of you, for some of you, I feel like you will be understanding what is your life purpose, what is your soul purpose. You will be making decisions, major decisions, but at the same time you might feel like doubting yourself. You will be like, well, if I take this step, will I be successful, what if there are a lot of thoughts that comes, right? Maybe you want to learn astrology and you're like not sure about it. Oh, if I learn it, whether it will provide me with the finances, maybe you want to learn something occult or something different you want to do, because that is your soul purpose, that is your soul calling, and you want to do that. But at the same time you will be like stressing whether this will give me that happiness, whether this will do that, whether I'll be able to pay my bills, a lot of things. So with this advice card, I feel like it's time to stand your ground, it's time to be confident in yourself, and it's time to give all your worries to the universe. And remember, you're fated to do this, you came here in this world to do this part. So for this while, I feel like you're getting into spirituality, you're meditating, or if you have been already doing, yes, this is what you are meant to do. You're meant to meditate, you're meant to be strong, you're meant to be confident, you're meant to love yourself, you're meant to guide others. And yes, major decision, I feel like for some of you, maybe you will quit your job or something and take action to your life purpose. I feel for many of you have been procrastinating about it, like you want to do this, but at the same time you're so afraid, you're doubting yourself, and you're not doing it. So finally, next 7 to 10 days, I am seeing that you will be doing this. You'll be changing things, but we have number 5, things are going to change. Maybe it will feel challenging for you guys, because it's not easy, change is not easy, but you will overcome all your obstacles and move forward confidently. So the advice is move forward confidently, universe is with you, they are guiding you, and full moon, new moon energies will be very important for you guys. So plant your seeds at that time, manifest at that time. Okay, so let's see what are the fairy messages. Okay, yeah, travel, of all the things you can do, travel is the cards for you. For some of you, maybe as I said, you will be going meeting your friends next 7 to 10 days. Maybe you will travel, have a small road trip or something like that, and have or maybe you will go into your to your friend's house, some sort of little bit travel, small travel I see for you guys. But with this travel card also, I feel like it's like about mentally you are traveling from one phase of your life to another phase, finally understanding who you are, why you came here. This is like for next 7 to 10 days, I feel it will go more than that, because you're understanding why you came here, what is your destiny, what is your soul purpose. You are making major decisions, loving yourself. So it's like completely you're changing your perception about your life, taking some time out for yourself finally, and go that is what I feel like. You're focusing on yourself next 7 to 10 days, and that's good, your own spiritual path, your spirituality. Because sometimes we get caught up in this real world where we have only work to do, we have to look after other people, and we don't have time to look into ourselves. But what I'm seeing for you guys is next 7 to 10 days you're looking into yourself, you're taking time for yourself, connecting with yourself, maybe going out in nature, maybe having a small road trip. That is also quite possible. Enjoying life, I feel for many of you, you will be doing your responsibility. At the same time, you will be taking some time out and enjoying nature, doing things that you love, doing some spiritual stuff. I'm getting that. Okay, maybe learning astrology, tarot, what you want, because you have some talents in there. Okay, for sure. So let's see what is the affirmation for you guys. Okay, look, my life is a mirror. So for some of you, I feel like you need to do this mirror work also. I was like, self-love, love yourself first, like go into see the mirror and say, I love you, right? Say that to yourself. It's very important, it's very healing. Do something like that. Okay, that I got. Look, we have a house, we have a cat, so it's like a happy family type of vibes I'm getting. So I don't know if for some of you, I feel you will get the support you need from your family members in this. Okay, my life is a mirror. For some of you, you need to spend some quality time with your cat. If you have a cat, it will give you a lot of healing energy. And with this cat also, I feel like this psychic ability, maybe your intuition is very strong next 7 to 10 days. Okay, so my life is a mirror. Okay, the people in my life are really mirrors of me. This affords me the opportunity to grow and change. So if you need to make some change something in your life, love yourself. When you love yourself more, when you take care of yourself more, things will drastically change for you guys next 7 to 10 days. So do some mirror work. I'm getting that. This affirmation, this might help you a lot. Okay, if you want a screenshot, take it. Like, my life is a mirror, and we have this also. Okay, that's it, group number 1. I hope you have great week. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 2. If you chose this coins, then let's see what is your message for next 7 to 10 days. So let's see for next 7 to 10 days what is that you need to surrender. Okay, for next 7 to 10 days, what my group number 2 needs to surrender, so that they can have a good week, divine. So what next 7 to 10 days, what they need to surrender. Surrender to wonder and awe. Oh my god, so wow. Okay, so for some of you, I'm getting this miracles vibes, okay? So you need to understand that everything is not a coincidence, okay? There are no coincidences. You will be seeing a lot of signs and surrender to that. Okay, listen to that. I feel like you will be seeing some signs, kind of miracles. I feel like that, or maybe for some of you, you need to get into the nature and see all the beautiful things that the nature has for us. Right? Get into the nature, enjoy nature. Get in. You know, I'm getting this water body. Go near a water body. Enjoy this water flowing, and see that what beauty that nature has. You know, for some of you, next 7 to 10 days, what I'm getting, maybe you will be traveling to that kind of a place, and you will be like, wow, this is so beautiful, the universe is so beautiful, and you will be like so feeling good about it. For some of you, it's like a message that you need to get into the, you know, get outside, connect some time with nature. That will make you so happy. Okay, some of you, you need to, I feel like you need to don't be so don't be so controlling. I feel like it, let it go. That is what I feel. Don't control things. Listen to the universe, listen to the signs. Don't be like, oh, that is not my sign, you know, that is like, no, universe is not giving me a sign. You know, accept that. When you see signs, oh wow, you know, accept it. That is what I feel like. For some of you, you are trying to control things. Don't do. Let it go. Next 7 to 10 days, let go of things that is not good for you. So let's see what will be the overall energy for you guys. Oh my god. Okay, you need to be patient. Next 7 to 10 days, you need to be patient for the things you're working on. If it's a relationship, if it's your work, whatever it is, it's time to be patient. Everything will happen at the divine timing. So yeah, and when you're waiting, when you're patiently waiting, surrender, look into the nature, go out, have fun, and wow, and look into the beauty of the nature and experience that small things. You know, it's like bird flying. It's so beautiful to see, like seeing the plants, enjoying the plants, and surrender to the, you know, that wonder. And you know, it's so beautiful. The nature is so beautiful. So spend some quality time in nature while you're waiting, because yeah, you need to wait, you need to be patient. Next 7 to 10 days for the things you need to manifest. So don't try to control. That's why I said, don't try to control anything. Don't resist anything. Let it flow, let it go. The things that are not for you will not come for you, because there are better things coming up for you, I feel like. So don't try to control anything. Don't try to control any people, any person. Be patient. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with your goals. Be patient with your career goals. Be patient with your personal goals. Be patient with your person. Be patient with anything. So all you need to have is patience for next 7 to 10 days. Okay, so let's see what else my group number 2 needs to know for next 7 to 10 days. Oh my god, look, this person is someone who has manifested their wish, and this is like angels are showing you the wish. So be patient. Your wishes are coming true, guys. If you have been manifesting something, it's coming true. So at this time, what you need to do for next 7 to 10 days is to enjoy life. It's to get into the water body. Enjoy. That's it. Your wishes will be manifesting. You know, soon. I feel for many of you, that's why the patience card. Have patience, guys. Your wish is going to manifest at the correct timing when you will be ready. So for being ready, it's time to enjoy life, lighten up your energy. When we control, when we try to resist things, we don't manifest. So it's time to let go. That's why let go. Enjoy life. Your wish will be granted soon. Your angels are standing with your wish, guys. And you know, if this was your means, I feel like you will get your wish, but this is like your angels are waiting for the right time to give you the wish. When you will be ready, the wish will be delivered. So definitely your wishes will be delivered. You will be emotionally satisfied. But next 7 to 10 days, before your wish has to be delivered, you need to be in that energy. You know, you need to be in the energy of receiving. You need to be in that frequency, right? So that is what. So lighten up, guys. Your wish will be fulfilled. Whatever you have been manifesting, that will be fulfilled, but you need to be patient. Okay, yeah, you need to walk look, you need to walk away from certain things. And literally we have a look shooting star, so it's like 8 of cups. When you walk away from the situation, you will get your wish. When you hold on to that situation, when you resist, this person is like seeing the cups, he is not ready to walk away. This person has already walked away. When you walk away from this thing, you will get your cup, you will get your wish. When you are sitting like this, angels are also standing, like angels are standing here and seeing this kid. So when you walk away from these cups, when you walk away from the situation, when we let go of the situation, then I'll deliver your wish. Interesting, isn't it? So yeah, so when you let go, when you walk away from a situation that is not good for you, when you don't resist, when you turn your back and move away from this thing, you will get your wish fulfilled. So it's like, if you have been manifesting something lately and you have been like, oh, will this happen, will this happen, when will this happen, when will this happen, if you will be in that energy, if you will be in that impatience energy, things will take more time, right? When you let go of that, when you will be patient, you will get your wish fulfilled. That's it. Interesting, I like this though. But yeah, it's all about your energy, it's all about the yeah. So when you will be in the perfect alignment with the universe, your wish will be granted. So let's see what else the next 7 to 10 days. So I feel like if you will be patient, if you will be working on your goals and being patient and moving forward, I feel for many of you, by the end of next 7 to 10 days, you will get your wish fulfilled. But you need to let go of something, okay? That's for sure. Let's see. What else? What else for group number 2 for next 7 to 10 days? Oh, worth waiting for, codependency. Okay, for some of you, definitely you need to get out of something that is very codependent. Maybe it can be a cigarette smoking, alcohol, maybe you're dependent on a person for emotionally. That is what you need to let go of, okay? Definitely. So when you let go of that, that is when you will be receiving your wish, okay? You will be very, when you get out of this addiction, maybe it's a person that you're addicted to, maybe this person is not good for you guys, and they are and because of this person, you are trying to change yourself and you're not feeling good, you're not feeling emotionally satisfied. When you leave this person, that is when you will move forward. Look, worth waiting for, divine timing is at work in your love life, okay? With this divine timing, for okay, whatever it is. So for some of you, when you do interesting, we got this divine timing and this divine timing. So for some of you, you need to get out of a relationship so you can manifest the relationship you want, that you desire, that you are that you actually, that relationship will make you happy. So right now I feel for many of you, you are in a situation where you're dependent on someone, but and that dependency is not helping you, and you're looking in the this person is looking at the cups and he doesn't look happy, and here she's in this codependency and she's not happy. So you need to get out of it, and when you get out of it, you will be receiving something very good. Maybe, yeah, that is what you'll be receiving something better than you expected. And yeah, divine timing. So if it's a soulmate, whatever it is, but love life wise, we can see that it's like worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So you'll receive that soulmate, you will meet that person, okay, after you get out of the situation. It can be in soulmate situation also, it can be in your work life, it can be in any situation. So be patient, guys, because it will be worth waiting for. That is what I feel like. But you need to get out of the situation, because these two cards are saying the same things, right? So that is your message. So let's see what else for my group number 2. Truth be told. Okay, so for many of you, you will get your answers. You will get your answers, you will get a lot of wisdom. Trust your intuition, guys. Okay, the mask is going to go away. So for this, if you have been in this codependent relationship, you will see the true colors of this person and you will be moving out of this relationship. Maybe for some of you, you're holding on to this relationship or this career or something. You're holding on to it and it is not good. So the angels are saying that your wish will be fulfilled. Something better, much better than this you will get. Even it's love, even it's a person, even it's a career, whatever. It's much better is waiting for you guys. So all you need to do is walk away from the situation, and you will get your answers also. So I'm sure you will walk away from this situation. And yeah, truth is going to be revealed. The masks are gonna get, you will get your answers. Maybe it's your own dependency on something, like some objects, like drugs or something like that, like means maybe medicine, or maybe something like a medicine. I don't know, I'm getting a medicine that you're codependent on, maybe sleeping pills. I don't know, you need to get out of it. I don't know, that came through. So maybe you need to stop that, or maybe smoking, alcohol, something. You need to make a change, you need to get out of it. And you will be, the truth will be shown to you. You will get your answers, you will get the clarity, okay? And the spirit is giving you the answer clearly. So you need to make that change next 7 to 10 days. So yeah, that is what I feel. What else? Yeah, you're protected. So remember, you're protected. Your divine is protecting you. So they're saying through these changes, through this transformation, all, when you're leaving the situation, it's not difficult. Sorry, it's not easy, right? It's not easy to leave a situation. It's not easy to move on from a situation to another. It takes courage. And that while the time you're doing that, you are protected. Okay, your divine is taking care of you. They are protecting you. So it's all about the same thing, it's all about moving forward. It's time to get out of a situation. It's time to leave something that is not helping you, so you can have a better thing. That is the thing. And be patient. For some of you, it's like you need to get out of your impatience. It can be simple as that, right? Get out of your impatience and be happy in nature. Take some time out. You will get your answers, you will get your wish fulfilled. It is worth waiting for, because I feel the wish that you will be getting will be the better than you expected. Something like that also is coming. Okay, so let's see what else for group number 2. Family. Wherever you go, whatever you do, your family is here for you. Okay, so yeah, there is support from your family. You're not alone. And with this family card also, I feel like your spirit guides, your angels are around you. They are guiding you. They're giving you so many signs, symbols, but you're not looking at it. That's what you need to surrender to. You need to look into that and wow, that they are with you. Understand that they are with you. Everything is happening for you, not against you. So you need to make that change in your life. That is for group number 2. You need to make a change. And when you make the change, when you move out from the situation, that is when the magic happens, and you will know it, right? That is the whole reading is about that, right? So let's see what is the affirmation for my group number 2. I am willing to change. You need to change something. You need to do that. Oh God, yeah, you are willing to change. When you change this thing, you will get, I don't know what is it, but definitely something you need to change. It's just, for some of you, it can be a small thing that you need to change and you will get your wish delivered. For others, it can be a big thing. It can be your addiction. It can be your laziness. It can be something that you don't trust. Maybe you don't have faith. You need to work on that. So that is what I am willing to change. This is the affirmation. I am willing to change. And we have a butterfly over here. I am willing to change. I am willing to release old negative beliefs. They are only thoughts that stand in my way. My new thoughts are positive and fulfilling. So this is your affirmation card for next 7 to 10 days, guys. Oh my God, the message, like, look at that. Everything is resonate. All the cards are saying the same things. So yeah, so that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. So group number 3, if you choose this amethyst pendulum, then this is your reading. So let's see what is for you guys. Yeah. So let's see. I don't know, I'm getting a message. If you have been asking a yes or no question, it's a yes. I don't know. That was very specific. I just felt like saying and I said it. Okay. because you got this amethyst also, pendulum also, I don't know, I just felt like and said that. So let's see next 7 to 10 days what you need to surrender so you can have a good week. So what my group number 3 needs to surrender so you can have a good week. Okay, surrender to non-action. Okay. Okay, so sometimes, you know, I feel with this pile I'm getting like 2 messages. For some of you, if you have not been taking any action, if you have been feeling like you need to go, you need to do that, and if you have been procrastinating, it's time to do that. That is the first message I'm getting. It's time to take action. It's time to get things done. It's time, you know, you have certain responsibilities. Don't shy away from your responsibilities. Take the responsibilities and go for it. And for others, I feel like you have been doing so much of work. You have been doing so much of work all the time. You've been working, overworking, being this perfectionist. You're taking the responsibility of family, looking after kids. Then you have been doing about your career. You know, if you have been a student, you have been doing the study work. You have been helping your mom and dad, or whatever. You have been doing a lot of work. So it's time to take. No, you know, it's time to do nothing. Sit with yourself. Be still. For some of you, you need to take a break. Okay, that is also I'm getting. It's okay to take a break. Okay. So yeah, it's okay to take a break. It's okay to, you know, sometimes we feel like we will be very behind if we don't do that work for one day. But your spirit guides, your angels, I want you to know that it's okay. Be patient with yourself. Okay. Nothing is going to go for you guys. Okay. Nothing is going to go. Everything will be there. So surrender. Sometimes take some rest. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. For some of you have been overworking, you know who the ones are overworking, not taking a break, not even watching a TV show, just working, being the perfectionist, doing double work. Surrender to non-action. Do nothing. Just take a break for one day at least. Okay, in this next 7 to 10 days, I feel like that you need to do that. And when we, you know, when we take a break, we relax. And when we relax, we don't stress too much and our energies become very light. And because of that, things will manifest easily. So the more we put the pressure, our manifestations will run away from us. So that might be that is the thing I feel for you guys. Okay, so take a break. It's okay to take a break. And for some of you, if you have not been doing anything and you feel like you need to do something, start that exercise, just go for it. Start that plan, start that idea. If you have been procrastinating about something, just go for it. Okay, so let's see what will be the overall energy for my group number 3 for the next 7 to 10 days. Let's see the overall energy. Okay, so yeah, it's time to get outside. Okay, for some of you, like literally you need to get out of your home, have a walk, spend some quality time in your nature. You have been sitting at home working. So it's like maybe you have been working from home and you have been doing that work. You're not getting time to go out lately. Maybe you're not meeting your friends. Maybe you're not communicating with people. Maybe you're just sitting in your room doing your work. So it's like, get out of your home, get out of your comfort zone, meet your friends. Maybe you're an introvert who doesn't like going out, but you know, sometimes you need to communicate. So your spirit is saying, just go out, feel that fresh air, take a walk in your garden, or just get out of if you haven't been out of your home, just go out, do some shopping, enjoy some time. Okay, and for some of you have an idea that is out of your comfort zone, right? You need to do something that is different. Just go and pursue that idea. For some of you, it can be like you need to change something about yourself, and you know that what you need to change, and you have been like in this comfort zone, you have been procrastinating about something. So it's time to do that. Take action. And because when we take action, look at the butterflies. There are so many butterflies here. You're meant to transform. Like a lot of changes are coming your way when you take this action. Okay. So for some of you, it's like literally getting out of home, relaxing. And when you relax, your manifestations will come. Things will change for you guys. It's about relaxing. It's about taking a break, not stressing too much. Okay. That is what you need to do next 7 to 10 days, I feel like. Okay. So let's see what else for you guys for next 7 to 10 days. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look, you know, we don't have this side, but we have this side. So yeah, the sun is going to shine upon you, the happy times are going to come. So it's okay, just what I feel for many of you, you have been manifesting something lately. You have been trying, maybe you have been using law of attraction, you have been working on it, but you're not seeing the things manifesting, right? For some of you, it's like you have been putting the work, you have been focusing on your manifestations, but you have been writing your manifestation, but at the same, look, we have the Six of Wands. The victory is yours, you will get that happiness, you will get that victory, but at the same time you are stressing about it. You have been stressing about your manifestations, whether it will come true or not. Oh, I have been working on this, why this project is not progressing. So it's like, get out of your comfort zone, get out of your home, relax, take a walk, go out, relax your energies. For some of you, it's literally like to take 2 days break and relax your energies and then come back to work. Okay, so and when you do that, you will get that happiness. So yeah, your happiness is coming. Okay, things are looking up. Okay, things are looking up, don't worry, the sun is gonna shine. You will get your manifestations. I feel like next 7 to 10 days things will be looking up, little progression you will see. Okay, that is what I feel like. So if you have been like procrastinating, you have not been feeling like doing work, I feel little by little you will be back into your energy. You will be starting your work next 7 to 10 days and feeling alive again. I feel like that also. And for some of you, if you have been overworking, overstressing about things, your energies are going to be lightening up. You will see some progression next 7 to 10 days. Things are going to change for you guys. Okay, you're not going to be the caterpillar forever, you're going to be the butterfly, right? So things will transform next 7 to 10 days. Okay, yeah. Lately you have been feeling like this 10 of Swords energy, where you have been like doing the work, putting out, maybe with this, you're getting out of this 10 of Swords energy. The worst is over, guys. Okay, for some of you, maybe you have gone through some heartbreak, or maybe something that happened that put you in a low phase emotionally, mentally. Maybe you had health issues, maybe you had some kind of problems in health, or something that made you like you cannot do things, or maybe something happened that made you feel very bad, or you felt like you will not make that, your finances go up, you felt like your career will not go up, or maybe for some of you it's your relationship, maybe someone backstabbed or something happened that made you feel like that you will be always you will not get to where you want. Maybe you felt like your manifestations will not come, but this is ending. You're getting out of this situation. Okay, for some of you, maybe because of this reason you were not able to work, right? You were not working, you were procrastinating because you are not feeling like that. But this phase is over. You will be feeling, you will get your energy back. We have the Sun and we have the 10 of Swords, right? So yes, things are going to look up for you guys. Of course, if you have gone through a major heartbreak, or maybe you have met people who are not good for you, or maybe you have been this emotional problems, or physically you were not feeling well, and because of that you were procrastinating things, you will be back in your energy. You will have that energy little by little. You're coming there. Okay, that is the thing, little by little you're coming there, and you're getting out of this negative energy also. I feel like overthinking, stress, you're getting out of it. Okay, so definitely you are getting little by little, you're out of this cycle is ended. This one chapter is ended. Now you are beginning a new one, where you will see the progression. Okay, next 7 to 10 days, progression. Yeah, things are going to progress for you guys, and you will have the energy to do the work. For others, for some of you are not doing the work because you don't have the energy, right? But yes, I see that you will have the energy to keep on going. That is what I feel like. Okay, so yeah, the worst is over. Now it's time to shine, because we have, look, literally you got the Sun. But yeah, but it will take little time, but you will get there. That is what it is. Let's see what else for my group number 3. Okay, I'll just, oh my god, oh, heart to heart conversations. Okay, and then it is safe for you to love. For some of you, you might be talking about the things, about this thing. You will be talking someone about your feelings, and you will be releasing that. Sometimes when we talk about a pain, what happened to us, why we were so sad, maybe you will have a conversation with your spouse, or maybe you will have a conversation with a family member, maybe you will have a conversation with a partner. And if you have been having misunderstandings lately, you will be resolving misunderstandings. That is also, I'm feeling like that you will be having heart to heart conversations. And look, it is safe for you to love. So for some of you, maybe because of your past, you had some yeah, I feel okay, for some of you, I feel like you have gone through a I don't know, I feel like something happened. Maybe I feel a misunderstanding happened. Okay, and maybe for some of you, next 7 to 10 days, you will be resolving this misunderstanding, and you will be opening up your heart again. Or maybe this person will come to you and talk their heart out, and because of that you will resolve your misunderstanding. So some of you have been going through an emotional phase, but I feel like that there was a misunderstanding, and you will be clearing this misunderstanding next 7 to 10 days, and you will be feeling loved again, and you will be like, yes, it's safe to love, and you will be loving again. So that is what I feel like. Yeah, for some of you, you have been with this now, with this it makes sense, with this, like this person is sitting in their comfort zone, they are not talking to them, and finally you will be making like, no, I need to talk to them, I need to let my heart out to them, and you will be talking to them, saying what you want to say, and because of that you will be resolving thing, and again you will be like in happy terms. That is what I'm getting. For some of you, you will be over someone, I'm getting. So there was an unrequited love, someone, and you will be like, you will understand that this person is not for you, and you will be getting out of that energy, and you will be having a conversation with your friend, family member about them, and you will be releasing it, and you will be like, yeah, I'm over. I'm over with this situation now. I'm ready for different love. Yeah, that is like completely releasing your ex, something about that also, and you're like starting new. And it will take a little time, but things are going to progress for you guys. So that is a message I received right now. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else for you guys. What is the message for my group number 3 for next 7 to 10 days? Okay, yeah, go to the distance. Okay, again, if things have not been progressing, if things have been stagnant, if you didn't have the energy to keep moving forward, right, what I'm getting is you will have the energy, and it's about action. Again, action, take action. For some of you, you have been taking over action, so it's time to relax a bit and then go slow. And for others, if you haven't been taking action because of this emotional phase you have been going through, you will be overcoming that, and you will be feeling loved again, and you will be taking action, to your goals. Whatever you want in your life, you will be moving forward. There is progression coming, there is movement. Things are going to move for you guys. That is what. If you have been feeling stagnant, if you have been feeling that things are stuck, no, you will not be stuck, you will be progressing. Okay, that is what I feel for you guys. Okay, and for some of you, yes, you need to make that first step. You need to get out, you need to talk. I'm sure you will be doing that. You're getting over your past, you're out of your past, and you're ready for happy times. Okay, definitely. If you have a misunderstanding, I see that misunderstanding is going to resolve. It can be a friend also, and you will be very very grateful for all these things. I feel next 7 to 10 days, by the end of the week, you will be very very grateful for all the things happen. Maybe you will be like realizing why this certain thing happened. It happened for you, and now it made this sort of thing, this 10 of swords energy, it happened, and now you're over it, right? This person is over it. He's out of this 10 of swords situation. You're over it. You had some problem, you're over your past, and you'll be so grateful that finally you're realizing that you're more than your past, you're more than this this thing that happened, right? You're more than your failures, whatever. You'll be understanding that, and you will be progressing, and you will be so grateful. You will be very grateful. You'll be giving the gratitude, and if you are not giving the gratitude, give the gratitude to the divine for the blessings you already have in your life, for the success you have already achieved in your life. That will be important. But I feel by end end of the week, something like that, you will be very grateful for all the things that has happened, and because of that you are out of your comfort zone. For some of you, it's like you are out of the comfort zone literally. And anyways, you will be out of this phase of bad period. I'm getting a chapter is ended, and now a new start is going to happen. There is some powerful changes happening in your life. You're growing, you're evolving, and you're moving forward. There is momentum coming. You're very blessed people. Okay, so let's see what else. Next 7 to 10. Oh yeah, celebrate. Look, you'll be celebrating. We have the sun, we have the sun card. You will be celebrating things. Soon you will be celebrating. You're not seeing it now, but you will be doing it, because you're getting out of this phase of your failures. You're understanding you're more than your failures. You're more than what a person thinks of you, and you're moving forward, and you will be giving this gratitude to the divine, and you will be learning. You have with this learn card, I feel you have been learning so much. You have been learning, you have been growing, and now it's time to celebrate your success. Maybe for some of you, it's like literally you're over your past, and you will be celebrating that, because you will be feeling so light, and you will be so grateful, and you will be and many of you are ready to move forward. Next 7 to 10 days, for some of you, you might celebrate with your friends or something like that. Maybe you'll be talking to them, letting your heart out, resolving things, and you'll be celebrating. For others, like, you will be celebrating like finally that you're over your past, you're over your ex, and you're ready to move forward. You'll be celebrating that. You'll be learning. For some of you, you'll be learning new things, maybe doing some hobby of yours and enjoying life, and you'll be very grateful for that. By the end of next 7 to 10 days, I feel like you will be taking action. You will be moving forward. You will have the energy to move forward. And for some others, I feel if you have been overworking, you will be like, oh, I need to relax, and you'll be relaxing. You will be taking one step at a time. And I see if things have been stagnant for you guys, you will be moving forward, and you will be feeling very loved. Your divine loves you. Okay, that is what I feel like. Okay, so let's see what are the affirmation that will help you through this next 7 to 10 days. So let's see what the affirmation for my group number 3. Okay, we got it. Oh, I love my body. Okay, yeah, for some of you, it's like you one more message I got. What is, like, some of you will be like changing their wardrobe or something like that. You will be doing something out of your comfort zone, wearing a dress that you never thought you will wear or something like that. You'll be loving that. And of course, I love my body. Okay, this is your affirmation. Like, at any age, at any weight, at any, you will love your body. So that's important. We love our body. Take care of your body, nurture your body, and you're beautiful people. Okay, so I create peacefulness in my mind and my body. Yeah, I create peacefulness in my mind, and my body reflects this peacefulness as perfect health. For some of you, for some of you, it's like you're overcoming a health issue also. That can also happen. Okay, and you'll be very grateful for that, because a lot of messages came. Okay, so take what resonates. I love my body. I create peacefulness in my mind, and my body reflects this peacefulness as perfect health. So if you want to take a screenshot, I hope you can see that. And yeah, okay, group number 3, bye bye.